Okay, so right now what I'm doing is I'm taking the slightly dark red with a darker shade of red, and I'm gonna take a little bit of just the solid red and I'm gonna kind of layer it and flatten it out so that when I cut out the scale it'll be multicolored, kind of like an ombre, or at least I hope it will. So I'm gonna do that real quick and I'll be back. I'm in the process of trying to make a Drogon egg stemless wine glass. This is my first time doing this, so I'm kind of just winging it, and I hope it comes out as well as it is in my head. So yeah, here we go. I've already obviously started putting some of the scales on, and I'm working on more. Kind of got the top view picture, so I hope you all enjoy. So it might be a little hard to notice, but I actually have 3 different color red clay that I kind of lined up and rolled together. The way I did that was I took different portions of this red and the black and I just blended them together. So I used this nifty little clay roller to help. I know they have clay softener. I didn't think I was going to need that until I actually opened up the package and tried to knead it with my hands. So what I do basically is after I cut out the clay with the template, I kind of round out the tip and kind of push it inward to shrink the size a little bit. And now I have the shrink wrap around the cup because this clay has to be baked in the oven, and I'm not sure if the glass can go in the oven with it on it. So the shrink wrap is basically going to be for a easier removal. And I'm kind of just pre-spacing them out because I'm going to try and actually mimic how scales would actually sit. The clay I'm using is a Kato poly clay. It was like $2.99 for a whole brick. Oh, not even. It was, there we go, $2.49 at Hobby Lobby for a whole brick, about about that size. I got this at Hobby Lobby too. Don't remember how much this one was. I want to say like maybe $7. Glass was from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby is an amazing place. I also have this poly paste, which is supposed to be like a glue and an adhesive to keep the pieces of clay together. This can be baked as well, so I guess kind of like cement. First time trying that as well, so hopefully it stays. Now when you, I guess, cut clay, especially with the template, and you're using like this super pointy stick, you want to do it in strokes. You don't want to try and cut it straight through, otherwise it's going to rip, it's going to mess up the pattern. You want to kind of ease it out. What I'm gonna do right now with the rest of this, since it's kind of just gonna blend together, I'm gonna roll it into like a snake, I guess you could say. Now I like to spin it as I'm pressing it because the clay does start to move with whatever direction you're putting pressure. So if I'm pressing and spinning, you see how it starts to get kind of like a spiral effect? So then, when I come and start flattening it out, it starts to get like cool stripes and stuff. See, like it has the darker spots and everything, so when you cut that into the scales, it kind of gives it a cool effect. You want to see this needy thing? Look at this. Look at this. This is a needy kitty. So needy. Go. Like the mother of dragons if dragons were cats. Right, Isabella? You're a pain in my butt. Alright, I got the first row on.